Welcome to Learn English with Sarah and John. Today, something funny and interesting happened to John. Tell us, John, what's going on?
Oh, Sarah, I had a really strange day. I lost my bag this morning.
You lost your bag? That's not good. What was inside?
My house key was in the bag, and my phone, I left it at home.
So, no bag, no key, and no phone?
Yes, exactly. No key, no phone, and no way to call anyone.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
I felt so lost. I wanted to call my friend, but I couldn't. I wanted to check the time, but I couldn't.
Poor John. But maybe this is not so bad.
Not bad? How? It feels like a disaster.
Maybe it's a chance to try something new, a day without your phone.
A day without my phone? That sounds scary.
It can be fun. Come on, let's go out and enjoy the day.
Go out without my phone?
Yes, no phone, no messages, no calls, just real life.
Okay, maybe you're right. Let's try.
Here we are at the bus stop.
I feel strange already. Everyone around us is on their phone.
Yes, but look, you can see the sky, the trees, the people. That's real.
True, I never noticed these things before.
Do you know what time it is?
No idea. Usually, I check my phone for the time.
Now you can look at the clock on that shop wall.
Oh yes, it's 10:15. So simple.
See, you don't need your phone for everything.
You're right. I can live old style for a day.
Good. Now the bus is coming. Let's go to the park.
Wow, it's nice here. The air feels fresh.
Yes, nature always helps you relax.
I usually take pictures of flowers, but today I can't.
You can look with your eyes and remember with your heart.
Remember with my heart. That's beautiful.
Thank you. Sit here under the tree. Listen to the birds.
It's quiet and peaceful. I like it.
See? No phone, no noise, just calm.
You're right. I feel different. Peaceful and light.
That's the power of being offline for a while. Let's get some coffee.
Sure. Oh wait, how do we pay? I use my phone for payment.
You can use cash today, old school style.
Oh yes, I almost forgot money still works.
What would you like to drink?
One coffee with milk, please.
And I'll take tea. Let's sit near the window.
It feels nice here. Everyone is looking at their phones, but we are talking.
That's true. Real conversation is better than screens.
I agree. I feel more connected to people now.
That's the beauty of small talk. You can talk, smile, and listen.
Yes, I think I missed this feeling for a long time.
Let's go to the library next.
The library? I haven't been there in years.
You'll like it. It's quiet, calm, and full of knowledge.
It sounds peaceful already.
Look, so many books. What do you want to read?
Maybe something about travel.
Here, this one, Beautiful Places of the World.
Wow, nice pictures. It's like traveling without moving.
Books can take you anywhere, even without a phone.
True. And I feel more focused reading this way. No notifications, no messages.
That's the magic of a quiet mind.
I like that. A quiet mind. I think I needed this.
The sun is going down. The sky looks beautiful.
Orange and pink. Just like a painting.
Yes, and you're watching it with your eyes, not through a camera.
I usually take pictures, but today, I'll just enjoy it.
Good idea. Some moments are for feeling, not saving.
You're right. I feel calm, really calm.
How do you feel after spending a day without your phone?
Honestly, at first I was sad. Then I was bored. But now I feel happy, free and peaceful.
That's wonderful, John. You learned that life is beautiful even without a screen.
Yes, I saw the world, talked to people, and thought more.
So, what did you learn from today?
I learned that sometimes we need to stop looking down at our phones and look up at life.
That's a perfect lesson.
Thank you, Sarah, for showing me that.
You're welcome. Everyone try it too, one day without your phone.
You'll feel calm and free, just like I did.
That's all for today's talk.
Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Keep learning English and enjoy real life around you.
See you next time. Bye.